if Notion and your offline diary had a privacy-obsessed baby, it would probably grow up to be Anytype. But is it just shiny concept or actually worth using? Let's find out in this short video. So, Anytype is a local first, end-to-end encrypted note-taking app. No cloud by default. No big tech peeking over your digital shoulder. It's like your notes went off the grid and became a digital prepper. Now let's talk the pros. Here, privacy is king. Your data stays on your device and syncs peer-to-peer, so it's secure and private. Also, it's super flexible. Objects, relations, templates, it's like building your own productivity system from scratch. However, there are some cons. First, the learning curve. It's not plug and play. You'll probably Google what is a relation more than once. Mobile is, well, okay, still needs polish. One user called it a beautiful idea with beta shoes. As for pricing, it's totally free. However, future plans may include a paid tier, who knows. But for now, $0, zero trackers. As for ease of use, well, if you love tinkering, awesome. If you like it simple and quick, you'll need patience. As for integrations, basically none. Yet. It is a self-contained ecosystem, for better or worse. So, in the end, is it worth it? If you care deeply about data privacy and want a customizable, offline-first tool, absolutely yes. If you want something quick and collaborative, maybe not yet. Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more no-fluff app reviews. See you all in the next video.